Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your registration code for Amazon Prime Video. This code is essential for linking your TV or streaming device to your Amazon account. So let's walk through exactly where to find it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top toolbar and click on Prime Video. Alternatively, you can directly open Prime Video in your web browser if you prefer to go straight there. Now select Sign In if prompted. You'll then want to choose the option that says Register on the Amazon website or something similar depending on your interface. At this point, a registration code will appear on your screen. This code is usually 5 to 6 characters long, and it's what you'll use to connect your device. Next, in the upper right corner of the page, hover your mouse over your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will take you to your account management area where you can control various aspects of your Prime Video experience. In the top toolbar of this section, click on Devices. This will show you all the devices currently registered to your Amazon Prime Video account, including their registration codes. Now, I don't have any registered devices to show you at the moment, but you'll see them listed here if you have any connected. Here's something important to understand. If you can't see a registration code listed, that's because there's nothing to enter yet. The code is only created and shown on the device itself when it's working properly and ready to be registered. To add a new device, click on Register New Device. You'll then be prompted to enter your registration code. Type in the code that appeared on your TV or streaming device earlier, then click Register Device. This will link your device to your Amazon account and you'll be able to start streaming. Now, alternatively, here's the only way to get the code if you're starting fresh. On your TV or streaming device, open Amazon Prime Video, navigate to Sign In, and select Register on the website. At that exact moment, the code will appear on your screen. This is the code you'll need to enter on the Amazon website to complete the registration process. And that's it. You've now found your registration code and know exactly where to enter it to connect your device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.